तो फ्रेंड्स वेलकम टू जीके बिफोर एग्जाम। तो डिस्कशन करवा आज कंप्लीट टीसीएस जीके पार्ट 2। पार्ट 1 रे हमर सर 4 रु 6 मार्क पाई कंप्लीट हिस्ट्री सर आज 4 रु 6 मार्क पाई ज्योग्राफी भी 4 रु 6 मार्क क्वेश्चन एग्जाम रे देखा पड़िबो। तो जति टीसीएस एग्जाम करिछि ताकू बेस करिके हम क्वेश्चन गुडा प्रैक्टिस करछन्ती ताकि टीसीएस को टाइप रो क्वेश्चन को सब्जेक्ट चैप्टर को नेकी पचारछि। जेमति कि सोलर सिस्टम को नै कोन क्वेश्चन पचारछि, रिवर सिस्टम को नै कोन क्वेश्चन पचारछि, माउंटेन रेंज को नै कोन क्वेश्चन पचारछि। तो को बळी भाबरे क्वेश्चन पड़े ताकू हमें प्रैक्टिस करिया पय ए सेशनटी करा हिछि। तो जो माने चैनल नुआ अछि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और वीडियो को फास्ट लास्ट देखो। ए सीरीज टी हमरो कंटिन्यू एमती रहिबो कंप्लीट जीके हवा पर्यंत। ठीक अछि, तो देरी न करी स्टार्ट करिबा आज सेशन। Which among the following is the longest river in South India? South India रो longest river गोदावरी। Which mountain pass in the world has the highest motorable road in the world? Highest motorable road in the world, Dhungriala Pass। In which layer of Earth atmosphere is the ozone layer found? Ozone layer को atmosphere पा होची को layer रे stratosphere। Name the highest peak in the Andaman Nicobar Island. Andaman Nicobar Island रो highest peak Saddle Peak। The Black Forest is a largest forested mountain range which is found in कोठी देखा होची जर्मनी। Black Forest Germany। Aurangabad is situated on the bank of which river? Coombe। The Maithon Dam is in which state? को स्टेट रछि झारखंड। The origin of sun was approximately how many years before the present age? How many years before the present age? 4.6 billion years ago। Name the highest peak of the Satpura range. Satpura रो highest peak Dupgarh। Which of following is not a bridge across the Brahmaputra river? ब्रह्मपुत्र ऊपर को ब्रिज टा नाही ने तीनटा को ब्रिज अछि मन रखिता होला ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर ऊपर। कोलिया, भूमरू सेतु, नारायण सेतु, बोगीबिल सेतु। बोगीबिल ब्रिज हैला तीनटा को ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर ऊपर अछि। Name the only river in the Thor desert. Luni। The atmosphere of Mars is mostly composed of carbon dioxide। Which of following river is not a tributary of the Krishna? कृष्णा रो ट्रिब्यूटरी किए नुह? बेटुआ, चंबल, बेटुआ दीटा को जमुना रो ट्रिब्यूटरी। तो ट्रिब्यूटरी रो कृष्णा रो ट्रिब्यूटरी जाक मन रखि था भीमा, कोएन, भीना। What is grown as kharif crop in northern and rabi crop in the southern part of India? किए sesame। The soil ideal for growing cotton is black soil। Which gas shield the surface of earth from ultraviolet radiation from the sun? को gas? Ozone gas। On which river is the Hirakud Dam situated? Mahanadi। Which of following is not a kharif crops? तमाने आंको भितरु रबी क्रॉप्स के बार्ली, खरीफ क्रॉप्स के बाजरा, जोर, मैज। Which among the following country is the largest producer of tea? किए चाइना। Which of the following is the deepest landlocked port in India? Deepest landlocked port Visakhapatnam। India's longest elevated road is situated in Ghaziabad। What is the main purpose of water harvesting? तो main purpose कौन? Recharge ground water। The delta of Mahanadi and Godavari are rich in dash soil. Mahanadi delta और Godavari delta रे को soil टा rich quantity रे मिलुची alluvial soil. यार आंसर हबो alluvial soil. The largest backwater lake in Odisha is Chilika Lake. Which state has largest coastline? Gujarat. Among the following option, dash is highest mountain peak of Himalayas in India. India रे को mountain peak अछि? Kanchanjunga. The river dash is the only natural water resource that drain inside a lake in the desert. Desert रे गोटे river अछि ता ना हला लुनी. The swampy belt of northern Indian plain is known as Tarai. Which of the following is not an artificial ecosystem? Not an artificial ecosystem. Forest. What is Bringa in Odisha? A local name of slash and burn agriculture. Bringa. Which of following river from the famous Dhuandhar Fall? Dhuandhar Fall कोड अछि नर्मदा river. In which of following protected area in India the human interface is prohibited? National Park. The Janskar, Hunja and Nubra are the tributary of Indus. The Indian Standard Time is calculated from the clock tower of Mirzapur. Blue jay or Indian ruler is the state bird of how many Indian state? Indian ruler केतरे state रो state bird? 4 state. Pin Valley National Park is situated in Himachal Pradesh. Which of following is not a nuclear power station? यहाँ भितर nuclear power station किए नुह रामगुंडम. रातभट कोठी अछि राजस्थान, नाररा यूपी, कल्पकम तमिलनाडु. तीनटा को मन रखिता. Which of following pair is incorrectly matched? Incorrectly यहाँ भितर किए अछि तावा गुजरात. एठी तावा कोठी अछि मध्य प्रदेश. तावा is the largest tributary of Narmada. Kishtwar National Park is located in Jammu and Kashmir. With reference to steel plant in India, which of the following pair is correct? यांको भितर को पेयर टा करेक्ट अछि? सलीम तमिलनाडु. दुर्गापुर प्लांट कोठी अछि? वेस्ट बेंगल रे. राउरकेला अछि ओडिसा रे. बोकारो कोठी अछि झारखंड रे. Gir National Park is situated in Gujarat. Which of the following river fall in Arabian Sea? Arabian Sea रे किए पड़छि? इंडस, गोदावरी, ब्रह्मपुत्र, कृष्णा एगुडा सब पड़छंती बे ऑफ बेंगल रे. In which of following state Marsi or Piti soil is not predominantly found? कोठी मिलुनी? मध्य प्रदेश. Dhansiri is the tributary of which of following river? Brahmaputra. In which of following state of India that only floating park in the world is situated? Floating park कोठी अछि? मणिपुर. Which of following state of India is main producer of chromite? Odisha. Which of following synthetic chemical is responsible for ozone layer depletion? Chlorofluorocarbon. Guru Ghasidas National Park is located in Chhattisgarh. Which of the following region of northern plain is the most fertile? खदर। बाग केव आर सिचुएटेड इन व्हिच स्टेट? मध्य प्रदेश। Arrange the following hill according to their location from north to south. North to south 1 3 4 2 1 first कोन नालामाला हिल्स, पालकोंडा हिल्स, तापरे जावाड़ी हिल्स, शिवरे हिल्स। नॉर्थ टू साउथ रे सजेकी लिखा पड़ो। Which of following pass are not correctly match their location? जो जिला जम्मू काश्मीर ठीक अच्छी, माना पास उत्तराखंड ठीक अच्छी, सिपकिला कोठी अच्छी हिमाचल प्रदेश। सिपकिला कोठी हबो हिमाचल प्रदेश। नाथुला पास सिक्किम। फर्स्ट कॉटन मिल इन इंडिया वाज सेट ऑफ इन व्हिच सिटी? फर्स्ट कॉटन मिल कोठी थला? बॉम्बे। ओजोन गैस इज प्रेजेंट इन व्हिच लेयर ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर? स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर। In which country is Hambantota port situated? Sri Lanka. Bab el Mandeb Strait connected which water body? Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. The Bikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary is located कोठी अछि? भोगलपुर, बिहार। आंसर हबो यार भोगलपुर, बिहार। Which of the following river originate in Amarkantak Hill in Madhya Pradesh? Amarkantak Hill in Madhya Pradesh. किए? नर्मदा। Which of the following is the largest peninsular river in India? Largest peninsular river किए? गोदावरी। Red panda is state animal of which of the following state? Red panda, Sikkim. On which of following island India's only active volcano is situated? Only active volcano. Brain Island. कोठी अछि? अंडमान निकोबर। Which of following river does not drain into a sea? Answer हबो लुनी। National waterway number 2 is located on which river? Brahmaputra. National waterway 1 टा कोठी अछि? गंगा। Mosenram is located on which hill of Meghalaya? Khasi. Khadar is new alluvial soil. Bhagirathi is a headstream of which of following river? Bhagirathi, Ganga. In which of following state is Kandla port situated? Kandla port कोठी अछि? Gujarat. Which of following element is found in Balghat mine of Madhya Pradesh? Balghat mine कोठी अछि? मध्य प्रदेश। कोन मिलुछि? कपर। Ajanta and Ellora cave are located in which state of India? Maharashtra. Which of following pair tropical grassland location is correct? Savannah, Africa. Susu dolphin is found in water of which river? Ganga. Mosses, lichen and small shrub are found in which type of vegetation? Tundra. Taiga forests are found in which of the following country? Russia. Trimbakeshwar is the source of which of following river? Godavari. India is separated from Sri Lanka by Palk Strait. Which of the following river drain into the Bay of Bengal? Krishna. The archaeological site of Koldiwa is located at Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following is not a major basin in India? Luni Basin. नाथुला एंड जिलिफ्ला पास आर लोकेटेड इन व्हिच माउंटेन रेंज को माउंटेन रेंज रो अछि हिमालय जदि पचारियो को स्टेट रो अछि सिक्किम व्हिच ऑफ फॉलोइंग इज कोरल आइलैंड लक्षद्वीप on which day does summer solstice occur in northern hemisphere 21st June which of following river does not drain into the sea bonus black soil is most found in which part of India peninsular plateau southernmost point of the peninsular plateau is marked by which of the following hills Nilagiri in terms of total land area what is India's rank in the world in the list of largest country India rank area wise केते अछि 7 with reference to famous monastery of India which of following pair is incorrect यांको भितर incorrect की अछि गुम जम्मू काश्मीर गुमटा कोठी अछि वेस्ट बंगाल गुम हला वेस्ट बंगाल याको भी मन रखता तावांग अरुणाचल प्रदेश की हिमाचल प्रदेश रुमटेक सिक्किम The largest inhabited riverine island is located on which river Brahmaputra Son River which one of the largest southern tributary of Ganga originated in which state Madhya Pradesh Himalaya run through how many states in India केतरा स्टेट रे पास है हिमालय 10टा धौलधर रेंज from part of which Himalaya lesser Himalaya which among the following is not a characteristics of black soil it has low water retaining capacity in which of following state is the Similipal biosphere reservoir located कोठी अछि ओडिशा which is the largest lake in the world in terms of surface area world ro largest lake की surface area रे Caspian Sea आंसर हबो Caspian Sea piece of land surrounded by water on three sides is known as peninsula which of following is a block mountain Satpura what percent of solar energy is absorbed by terrestrial ecosystem 1% Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following Indian state को स्टेट रे पास हेनी महाराष्ट्र तो पास हेची केतरा रे 8टा स्टेट से 8टा स्टेट हला कोन गुजरात राजस्थान मध्य प्रदेश छत्तीसगढ़ झारखंड वेस्ट बंगाल त्रिपुरा एंड मिजोरम नॉर्थ ईस्ट रे की अछि त्रिपुरा एंड मिजोरम एदिटा मन रखो एटा भी क्वेश्चन रे सबले पचारछि ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पास थ्रू 8टा स्टेट रे पास हेछि ब्लैक सॉइल इज नॉट फाउंड इन व्हिच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया कोठी मिलुनी पंजाब Which hill are located at the junction of Eastern and Western Ghat? Nilagiri. Which of following is outer layer of earth that is made of plate which fit together like a jigsaw puzzle? Outer layer of earth की lithosphere. The narrow zone of contact between lithosphere hydrosphere and atmosphere where natural vegetation and wildlife exist is called biosphere. The breaking of and decay of exposed rock by temperature change, frost action, plants, animals and human activity is called weathering. What is Jaduguda known for? Jaduguda uranium mines, uranium deposit ଅଛି Jaduguda रे. The solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes between earth and sun. Which among the following is not one of the three parallel range of Himalaya in its longitudinal extent? Himachal, Himadri, Shivalik. Himshikha not. Home to the snow leopards, the Hemis National Park is located in Ladakh. Which of following port is not located in Gujarat? Dighi port. Dighi port कोड अछि महाराष्ट्र. Which of the following industry is not included in the 8 core industry of India? 8 core industry of India रे किए include नहीं? Cotton. Include को मान अछंती? Coal अछि, crude oil अछि, natural gas, तापरे अछि हमरो refinery product, fertilizer अछि, steel अछि, cement and electricity. ए 8टा अछि. Surma River, also known as the Barak River, originated in Manipur Hills. Europa is a natural satellite of Jupiter. Batholiths are landforms created by volcanic activities. River Kabini is a tributary of Kabini, Bhabini. एगुड़ा सब कार tributary Kaveri. Which among the following has its latitude within 1 degree of that New Delhi? Mount Everest. Which among the following is the confluence of Alaknanda and Mandakini? Rudraprayag. Which one of following state is the largest producer of pulses in India? Largest producer की है? मध्य प्रदेश. Where in India is the first indigenously built atomic power plant located? Kalpakam. In which of following state is Kardang monastery situated? Himachal Pradesh. In which ocean is the island country Fiji situated? Pacific Ocean. Which of the following river has its origin in Mahabaleshwar? Krishna. Which state is the largest producer of mica in India? Andhra Pradesh. Dash is the highest peak of Satpura range. Satpura range ର highest peak Dupgarh. The Netravati river flow through which of the following city? Mangaluru. Which of following site is the largest protected wetland in India? Sundarban. What is the periodicity of Halley comet? Halley comet केते वर्ष थरे देखा होची? 75 ରୁ 76 year रे थरे. The Kharif season in India largely coincide with the southwest monsoon. The term peninsula means a piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides. The Kaveri river rises in Brahmagiri hills. Which of the following is not a part of the Meghalaya plateau? Palamu hills, not a part of Meghalaya plateau. Meghalaya की अच्छी गारो, खासी, जयंतिया. In which of the following Himalayan range is the Banihal Pass situated? Banihal कोड अच्छी फिर पंजल रेंज रे. A dash is a deep valley with very steepy two straight side and and is almost equal in width at its top and bottom. ताऊ कौन कहउची जॉर्ज. Rock that are formed by the cooling of magma is called igneous rock. Which of following port is located on the eastern coast of India? Eastern coast रे की अछि कमराजर. एटा कोठी अछि चेन्नई रे. The average length of a solar cycle 11 years. Quito protocol is related to convention on climate change. केबे हेतिला Quito protocol 1997. Polavaram irrigation project is being constructed on Godavari river. According to Geological Survey of India, the state which highest graphite deposit in India, Arunachal Pradesh. Which of the following option present the correct ascending order of the planets in our solar system on the basis of their density? Uranus, Jupiter, Neptune. In India, which of following river of the Indus river system is well known as habitat of dolphins? Bees. One astronomical unit represents the mean distance between Earth and Sun. Among the following water body, which one has the highest salinity? Dead Sea. Which river is known as Sangpo in Tibet, Jamuna in Bangladesh? Brahmaputra. The approximate average density of Earth is 5.51 gram per cm3. Which of the following is not a biosphere reserve of India? Not a biosphere reserve of India. Dachingam. तो दाचिंगाम गोटे कौन ना नेशनल पार्क. Which of following state has maximum number of national park in India? Maximum number of national park Madhya Pradesh. Dash dam was constructed across the Barkar river in Jharkhand. Tilia. Which of following pass connected Sikkim and China? Nathula. With reference to the protection site of animal, which of following pair correctly maps? यांको भितरु correctly match कोडा नोक्रेक मेघालय एटा ठीक अछि. बक्सा कोडी अछि वेस्ट बेंगल, नंदादेवी उत्तराखंड, गिर कोठी अछि गिर हला गुजरात. The dam is located over Kaveri river in Tamil Nadu. को डैम अछि कावेरी उपरे? Mettur Dam. The part of the earth's surface and atmosphere where plant and animal life is called biosphere. The famous Jog Fall is in Jog waterfall कोठी अछि कर्नाटक. Dhuandhar Fall is formed by the river Narmada. Tehri Dam is built on the river Bhagirathi. With which of following country does Meghalaya share its border? का सहित बांग्लादेश. बांग्लादेश सहित केतरा स्टेट टच होइछि? 5टा स्टेट. गोटे हला वेस्ट बेंगल, आसाम, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा, मिजोरम. 5टा स्टेट. With which of the following state Union Territory does Haryana not share its border? का सहित जम्मू कश्मीर. Dash is a tributary. Dash is a distributary of a river Jhelum. Pohru. Anantapura Lake Temple is a Hindu temple built in the middle of a lake in Kerala. The natural process that warm the earth's surface is natural process की greenhouse effect. What is the name of an international environmental agreement with universal ratification to protect the earth ozone layer by eliminating use of ozone depleting substance? को एग्रीमेंट होता मॉन्टेल प्रोटोकॉल केबे 1987 मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट युमथांग वैली इज लोकेटेड इन डैश स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया सिक्किम Which of following state does not share a border with Bangladesh? बांग्लादेश सहित किए शेयर करूनी को स्टेट रो बॉर्डर शेयर करूनी आंसर हबो मणिपुर तो बांग्लादेश सहित केतरा स्टेट टच करछि पांचटा स्टेट मिजोरम त्रिपुरा मेघालय आसाम आउटला वेस्ट बेंगल पांचटा को स्टेट मन रखो हला दादरा एंड नगर हवेली इज यूनियन टेरिटरी लोकेटेड बिटवीन द स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र एंड गुजरात The smallest union territory Lakshadweep. The Maharana Pratap Sagar Reservoir on River Beach in Himachal Pradesh is also known as Pong Dam. Where is Dachingam Sanctuary located? Dachingam Sanctuary कोड अछि जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. Dash is the first greenfield airport to be constructed in the northeastern region of India. First greenfield airport. Important question. Pakyong airport. एटा कोठी अछि सिक्किम रे. केतेली पचारिबो पाक्योंग एयरपोर्ट कोठी अछि सिक्किम रे. Andaman and Nicobar Island is a group of dash island. Group of 572 island. Where is Dukan Pass located? Dukan Pass located Andaman and Nicobar Island. Which of following is not a tributary of Indus River? तो तीनटा को इंडस रिवर ट्रिब्यूटरी अछि तीनटा को मन रखि था नुब्रा जस्कर सोयक तीनटा को इंडस रो ट्रिब्यूटरी The Tropic of Cancer pass through 8 Indian states. Which of the following is not one of them? यांको भितर किए नुह आसाम आठटा को स्टेट मन रख है गुजरात राजस्थान मध्य प्रदेश छत्तीसगढ़ झारखंड वेस्ट बेंगल मिजोरम त्रिपुरा आठटा स्टेट मन रख पूरा An Indian team of scientists led by dash of physical research laboratory have discovered a sub-Saturn or super Neptune size planet around a sun like star. को साइंटिस्ट डिस्कवर करथिले प्रोफेसर अभिजीत चक्रवर्ती. The expansion project of Numaligarh refinery involves setting of a crude oil pipeline from dash to Numaligarh. Dash to Numaligarh, Paradip to Numaligarh. तो Numaligarh oil refinery कोठी अछि आसाम. Garo Hills lie in dash state. को स्टेट अछि Garo Hills मेघालय. Manas Tiger Reserve is located in which Indian state? Assam. The Tiger Reserve in Karnataka is home to largest number of Asian elephant in world. Nagarhole Tiger Reserve Karnataka situated. Ranthambora कोठी अछि राजस्थान. बांधवगढ़ मध्य प्रदेश कान्हा मध्य प्रदेश. Which of following is known as study of earthquakes? Seismology. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Largest freshwater lake Ular Lake कोठी अछि जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. उदय सागर लेक कोठी अछि राजस्थान. चिलिका तो ओडिशा. पैंगोंग टिसो लेक कोठी अछि लद्दाख. The total forest cover in India as per the 2011 census. Total forest cover केते 21.05%. Which is the longest tributary of the river Indus? Longest tributary of the river Indus, Sutlej. The dash channel separate the Andaman and Nicobar group of island. 10 degree channel. एग्जाम रे पचारुची 8 डिग्री चैनल 9 डिग्री चैनल आउ 10 डिग्री चैनल तो 8 डिग्री चैनल टा कोन मालदीव्स लक्षद्वीप 9 डिग्री चैनल टा हला लक्षद्वीप मिनकॉय 10 डिग्री चैनल टा हला अंडमान एंड निकोबार तीनटा को मन रखिथा हला पेरियार वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी लोकेटेड इन को स्टेट रछि केरला India's oldest operating refinery is at Digboy. कोठी अछि असम. Dash hold a major stake in Numaligarh Refinery Limited. किए भारत पेट्रोलियम. Which of following is not a crossing point? Not a crossing point along the Indo-Pak border. Not a crossing point. Sikor. तीनटा पॉइंट मन रखी था क्रॉसिंग पॉइंट अत्रि वाघा गंडा सिंह वाला व्हिच इज द 7th लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड बाय लैंड एरिया ती जो लैंड एरिया रो रैंक ता सब बेले एग्जाम रे पचार छी इंडिया रैंक कते 7th पोजीशन अछि ऑस्ट्रेलिया रहला 6th पोजीशन अर्जेंटीना रहला 8th पोजीशन ब्राजील हैला 5th पोजीशन तो 1 2 3 4 रे की अछि 1 रो अछि रशिया 2 रे हैला कनाडा 3 रहला चाइना तापर 4th पोजीशन अछि यूएसए ठीक अछि ए सीक्वेंस ता मन रखिता हला रशिया कनाडा चाइना यूएसए 5 नंबर रहला ब्राजील 6 नंबर रहला ऑस्ट्रेलिया 7 नंबर रे इंडिया 8 नंबर रे अर्जेंटीना ए सीक्वेंस ता पचारछु एग्जाम रे सब बोले नेम द लॉन्ग हेयर्ड mammal फाउंड थ्रू आउट द हिमालयन रीजन यक The dash waterfall in Chhattisgarh are also known as Niagara Fall of India. Chitrakoot. Consider one of the best in India, Temmi Tea Garden. Temmi Tea Garden is the only tea estate in the state of Sikkim. Which Indian state union territory has the shortest coastal line? Shortest coastal line कार पुडुचेरी और लॉन्गेस्ट कोस्टल लाइन गुजरात गिर नेशनल पार्क इज नोन फॉर इट्स एस्थेटिक लायन ए क्वेश्चन एबे रिसेंट सीएचएसएल मेन एग्जाम रे पड़थिला हला गिर नेशनल पार्क इज नोन फॉर इट्स एस्थेटिक लायन डैश इज सिचुएटेड एट कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ अलकनंदा एंड मंदाकिनी रिवर अलकनंदा एंड मंदाकिनी रिवर रुद्रप्रयाग जदि अलकनंदा एंड धौलीगंगा पचारिबो विष्णुप्रयाग अलकनंदा एंड पिंदार रिवर पचारिबो कर्णप्रयाग अलकनंदा पिंदार रिवर अलकनंदा धौलीगंगा तीनटा क्वेश्चन पचारुची रुद्रप्रयाग विष्णुप्रयाग कर्णप्रयाग नेचुरल फॉल contain more than 80% calcium carbonate. Which of following is the first port in India to become a public company? Ennore Port. Port अछि Chennai. Tata Iron and Steel Company TISCO was incorporated in 1907. The Yamuna River flow parallel to the Ganga. The Taj Mahal lie on the bank of river Yamuna. Which of following is caused by high speed wind and air pressure difference? Cyclone. Which of following crop is not a source of vegetable oil? Wheat. Name the union territory which is composed entirely of island. Lakshadweep. Where is Manas National Park located in India? Assam. Lynx species of wild cat is found in which state of India? Jammu and Kashmir. The world's longest sandstone cave has been discovered in Meghalaya. What is the name of that sandstone cave? Krempuri. कोठी अछि मेघालय. Longest sandstone cave. Name the state that separate India and its neighbor Sri Lanka. India Sri Lanka को किए सेपरेट करूची? Polk state. Asia's first dolphin research center is coming up in which city? Patna. Which river originated from the confluence of two rivers, the Chandra and Bhaga? The Chandra and the Bhaga. Chenab. Where is the mountain peak Saddle located? Saddle peak कोठी अछि? Andaman and Nicobar Island. Black soil is ideal for the cultivation of which of these crop? Kapai suitable? Cotton. Kathiawar Peninsula is located in which state? Saurashtra. The Musi and Bhima are tributary of the river Krishna. Which of following is mine? The Badam Pahar mine of Odisha. Hematite. Sundari, a well-known species of tree, is found in mangrove forest. Which of following biosphere reservoir was the first to be established by the government of India? First biosphere reservoir किए नीलगिरी biosphere reservoir केबे हेतिले 1986 एटा भी एग्जाम रे आछी आ केबे ये यूनेस्को हेरिटेज साइट रे स्थान पाइला 2000 मसिया रे ठीक अछि तीनटा को मन रखिता हला फर्स्ट बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व नीलगिरी केबे हेतिला 1986 स्थान पाइला यूनेस्को हेरिटेज साइट रे 2000 मसिया रे Name the pass in Uttarakhand which is used by pilgrimage to Kailash Manasarovar Yatra. Uttarakhand रे की अछि लिपुलेख बानिहाल जम्मू एंड काश्मीर खरदुंगला लद्दाख पेनिसला लद्दाख ए दुटा लद्दाख रे अछंती हला In India the Tiger project Tiger was started in 1973. Baglihar Dam is constructed on which river? Baglihar, Chenab. The Nanda Devi peak is located in Uttarakhand. Which of the following destroy the ozone layer? Ozone layer को किए destroy करछि? CFC, chlorofluorocarbon बा chlorine. Where is Bandipur National Park located? Karnataka. The popular Bagh cave painting are found in Madhya Pradesh. Which is the longest national highway in India? Longest national highway की National Highway 44 NH 44 ये कनेक्ट करछि श्रीनगर टू कन्याकुमारी ये भी क्वेश्चन पचारछि श्रीनगर टू कन्याकुमारी केतेटा स्टेट देकी जाइछि 11टा स्टेट Majuli, the largest river island in the world, is located in Assam. Which of following pass is known as gateway connected Jammu and Srinagar? Banihal Pass. Dash in Himachal Pradesh is a famous tourist attraction. Rohtang Pass. Bharkala, Choura, Chavakad, and Natika are beaches in the state of Kerala. द हाईएस्ट रेलवे स्टेशन इन इंडिया इज लोकेटेड इन द स्टेट ऑफ वेस्ट बेंगल। तो से रेलवे स्टेशन ना कौन? घूम। घूम रेलवे स्टेशन कोड अच्छी वेस्ट बेंगल हाईएस्ट रेलवे स्टेशन। द विवेकानंद रॉक मेमोरियल इज लोकेटेड इन कन्याकुमारी। Tsunami is caused by underwater volcanic activity. Name the longest river in Asia. Yangtze. Which river pass through maximum number of countries? Answer हबो दानुबे। एटा अछि यूरोप रे, यूरोप रो सेकंड लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर। केतरा कंट्री की पास करछि? ये 10टा कंट्री। इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। अलमाटी डैम प्रोजेक्ट ऑन कृष्णा रिवर। क्वेश्चन पचारछि अलमाटा को रिवर ऊपर अछि? कृष्णा रिवर। एंड इश्यू बिटवीन व्हिच स्टेट? कर्नाटक एंड आंध्र प्रदेश। शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन। शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन इज also known as dash in northeast India. Jhum. Dash is an important road link between Srinagar on one side and Kargil and Leh on other side. Jojila Pass. Dash Pass connects Uttarakhand and Tibet and is situated in the north of Gangotri. Answer हबो मुलिंगला। जोजिला जम्मू काश्मीर अछि। बारालाचाला सिपकिला दुईटा को अछि हमरा हिमाचल प्रदेश रे। तो उत्तराखंड एंड तिब्बत पचारछि मुलिंगला। Dash Strait separate the island of Java and Sumatra. Sunda. Which of the following Indian island lies in the Bay of Bengal? Andaman and Nicobar. What is the geographic name given to a deep and a narrow valley consisting of a steep side created by weathering and erosion by river, wind, rain and tectonic activities? ता कौन को होची? Canyon. Silent Valley National Park is located in Indian state of Kerala. What is the term used to describe the angular distance of a place north or south of Earth's equator? तो कौन कहूची? Latitude. Which of the following star is nearest to Sun? Proxima Centauri. Fertile riverine alluvial soil is best suited for producing rice. The Phu Pass, which is a tri-junction between India, Myanmar, China, is on this borderline. Answer habo McMahon line. Daringbadi Hill Station is located in the Indian state of Odisha. को district रे अछि? कंधमाल. The Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan. केबे हिथिला? 1960. About 70% of the sun is made up of hydrogen. Which state of India has the longest mainland coastal line? Gujarat. The river Ganga emerges from Gangotri Glacier and ends at Bay of Bengal. The term blood moon is used to refer to lunar eclipse. Which country in the world has the largest number of international borders? China. Dash gas trap heat in the atmosphere which make the earth warmer, causing global warming. Co-gas greenhouse. Which one of the following is deepest gorge in the world? Kali Gandaki Gorge. Which of following is the longest river in Pakistan that originated from Lake Manasarovar? Manasarovar lake ରୁ କିଏ ବାହାରିଛି? Indus. The approximate diameter of the sun is dash time the diameter of earth. 109. Name the westernmost point of India. गोहार मत्ता जोटा कि अच्छी कोठी गुजरात गुजरात स्टेट रो को डिस्ट्रिक्ट भी पचारुची बेले बेले कच्छ डिस्ट्रिक्ट गोहार मत्ता. नेम द स्मॉलेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन इंडिया. स्मॉलेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट का कहूँ माहे कोठी अच्छी पुडुचेरी. Name the oldest operating port. Oldest operating port in India built by British East India Company. Kolkata Port. Dash is the hottest planet in the solar system. Hottest planet की है? Venus. Dash is the only active volcano in South Asia. Buren Island. Which of the following is not a part of the Ganga river system? Not a part of Ganga river system. Dhansari. Eta kono? A tributary of Brahmaputra. The Strait of Dash connects the Mediterranean Sea with Atlantic Ocean. Gibraltar. Which of following lake and their location is incorrectly matched? लुनार महाराष्ट्र, चिलिका ओडिशा होता, लोकटाक मणिपुर ठीक अच्छी, रूपकुंड उत्तराखंड. तो यार आंसर हम चिलिका ओडिशा. Which one of the following is not a tributary of river Kaveri? आंसर हम भाईगाई. कावेरी ट्रिब्यूटरी जाक मन रखि था काबिनी, भाबिनी, अमरावती. The Salal project is constructed on the over. Salal project is constructed on the river Chenab. Which of the following is western flowing river? Sabarmati. Which of the following is an igneous rock? यहाँ को भीतर igneous rock कोड़ा granite. Which of the following river is a left bank tributary of Ganga? Gandak. Son, Betua, Ken, एगोड़ा सब right bank tributary. Soriska Tiger Reserve is located in Rajasthan. An island between India and Sri Lanka is Kachhathivu. Which of following national park is situated in Uttar Pradesh? Dudhwa. Dachingam कोड अछि जम्मू कश्मीर, वन बिहार, मध्य प्रदेश, हेमिस, लद्दाख. Which of the following states separate Nepal from Bhutan? Sikkim. Which of the following river is popularly known as Dakshina Ganga? Godavari. The city of Belagavi is located in the state of Belagavi. कोठी अछि कर्नाटक. The famous Dwarakadhish temple of Gujarat is located on the bank of which of the following river? Dwarakadhish temple, Gomti. In which state is Sambhar, the largest inland salt water lake of India located? Sambhar lake कोठी अछि Rajasthan. In which state is the Mundra power plant located? Mundra power plant कोठी अछि Gujarat. The Himalaya belong to which of the following category of mountain? Fold mountain. In which state is Sasthamokta Lake located? कोठी अछि केरला. Indra Sagar Dam, which is a concrete gravity dam, is located in which of the following state? Indra Sagar Dam कोठी अछि मध्य प्रदेश. The distributary of which river take the name Padma in Bangladesh? Padma in Bangladesh, Ganga. The Valley of Flower National Park is located in Uttarakhand. Gahiramotha Sanctuary is the only sanctuary for dash in Odisha. Turtle. In which state the Chamera hydroelectric project located? Himachal Pradesh. Which river is known as handmaid of Narmada? Tapti. Bimband Lake, which is the largest lake of India, in which state? Kerala. Kolleru Lake, which is one the largest fresh water lake in India, located in which state? Andhra Pradesh. On which river is Polavaram irrigation project being built? Polavaram कोठी अछि गोदावरी. All the four rivers mentioned below are river of Kerala. Which of these is the southernmost river of the state? Neyar River. In which city of India would you find the Swami Vivekananda Airport? कोठी अछि Raipur. With how many state or union territory does Uttar Pradesh share its border? Not a state. Which of the following mountain range is home to the second highest peak of the world, K2? Second highest peak of the world, K2. Eastern Karakoram range रे अछि. Marmagao port is located in Goa. Which of the following at a 23rd half north divide India into almost two halves? Tropic of Cancer. Which of the following state is biggest jute producer in India? West Bengal. Jadugura is Singhbhumi district, Jharkhand, is an important mine for which of the following? Uranium. Name the sea that separate Asia and Africa with countries such as Egypt and Sudan on the African side and Saudi Arabia on Asian side. Which sea? Red Sea. Which of following is the smallest neighboring country of India in terms of population? Maldives. Which among the following is the largest coal field in India? Jharia. कोठी अछि Jharkhand. Which of following is the largest river island in India? Majuli Island. Which one of the following cave is situated in Maharashtra? Maharashtra की अछि Ellora. Bora cave अछि कोठी Andhra Pradesh. Amarnath Jammu Kashmir. Badami Karnataka. Which of the following waterfall is created by river Saravati? The highest waterfall in India. Highest waterfall in India, Jog Fall. Which of the following lake is the largest man-made lake in India? Gobind Ballabh Pant Sagar. कोठी अछि UP. Which of following is a floating national park of India? Kibelu Lamjo. कोठी अछि Manipur. The hill station of Chel is located in Himachal Pradesh. The border between India and Bhutan are joined dash Indian state. केतरा Indian state अछि चारटा. कोन कोन भूटान को टच हेछि केतरा Indian state? चारटा. कोन कोन? सिक्किम गोटे, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, आसाम आ गोटे वेस्ट बेंगल, 4टा स्टेट। द हिस्टोरिकल शेरशाह सूरी मार्ग इज कॉल्ड नेशनल हाईवे नंबर 1। Jawaharlal Nehru Port is located in Maharashtra. Kalumar Peak is the highest point in Dash Range, Vindhya Range. In 1973, the Project Tiger was started in Dash National Park, Jim Corbett National Park, Kothi, Uttarakhand. A chain of islands closely scattered in a body of water is called archipelago. An dash is the wide end of river that meet the sea, estuary. Raja Sansi International Airport is located in Amritsar. Sri Lanka is situated off the southeast coast of India across the Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar. The first cotton mill in India was set up as spinning mill in 1854 in first cotton mill code Bombay. The Dash is the longest river in Sri Lanka, Mohaweli. Which city in Pakistan is called Garden of Mughals or City of Gardens? Lahore. What is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth called lithosphere? In which of the following state is Astamudi Lake situated? Astamudi Lake kodechi Kerala. Which of the following river originated from Mahabaleshwar? Krishna. Which of following is not a peninsular river? Alkananda. The Sunauli border is famous transit point between India and Nepal. The Wallayar Dam is in which district of Kerala? Wallayar Dam kodechi Palakkad. Which is the coldest place in India? Dras. Chhattisgarh does not share its boundary with West Bengal. छत्तीसगढ़ केतेटा स्टेट को टच करछि? 7टा स्टेट। एटी अछि उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश, ओडिशा, झारखंड, महाराष्ट्र। 7टा स्टेट को टच करछि।